welcome back to Bird and Boost Food. So Saint Supery has paired up with Igourmet. They are sending these amazing tasting kits directly to your home, full of ingredients to make a delicious meal. So today, we're going to show you how to make the Cab Bacon Flatbread right in your own kitchen. So hopefully you've ordered your Igourmet kit, or like me, I've gotten all my ingredients through my local purveyors. So come along, I'll show you how to make it. So our first step for the flatbread is we're going to take 2 ounces of the Saint Supery Cabernet Sauvignon, add that to a pot. And then we're going to take 1/4 cup of dried cherries, and we're going to plump them up here in this wine. Put them in, stir them up. Once the cherries come to a simmer, we're going to turn the heat off and let them cool completely. Next up, we are going to crisp up some bacon. I have 1/2 pound of peppered bacon. This is a thick cut bacon. So we want to take that, add that. Break it up a bit. We're gonna let this crisp up, and then we'll render the fat from the bacon and save it to make a warm dressing for the flatbread. We crisped up our bacon. I rendered the fat so we could use it as a warm dressing for the spinach that goes on top of the flatbread. I've preheated my oven to 400. Now what we're gonna do is assemble the flatbread. Take some olive oil and spread it on top of the flatbread. This will give great flavor and also help crisp up the flatbread as well. Just like that. Now we're going to add our cheese. If you purchase the Igourmet kit, it's going to have an aged Jack cheese. Unfortunately, I could not find aged Jack anywhere in any of my specialty stores. So what I'm going to use instead is an aged Romano cheese. We're going to add 4 ounces of cheese to this. And then we're going to add our crispy bacon. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven until the cheese is melted and the flatbread is golden brown. So while our flatbread is getting toasty, I'm going to go ahead and make the dressing for the salad topper. First, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of minced shallot. Then to that, we're going to add a tablespoon of chives. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons. I'm only going with 1. It seems a little strong to me. This is fresh from our garden, so it's very flavorful, so I'm just going to go with 1 tablespoon. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the fat that we rendered from the bacon to this. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. I'm going to mix this together. There you go. Right before we serve, I will toss this with our spinach and I'll show you how we plate it. So our flatbread came out of the oven nice and golden with the cheese melty. I added my dressing to about 4 ounces of spinach. Now we're going to top our flatbread with the spinach. Then we're going to garnish with the wine-soaked cherries. Well, doesn't that look beautiful? This is going to pair perfectly with the Saint-Supery Cabernet Sauvignon. This is a great meal to share with someone special. This will also be great when we finally get to have those social gatherings together. This is a great one to duplicate, make a couple of them, take them over to your friend's house, and this will definitely be a showstopper. So for this recipe, head on over to saintsupreme.com and check out their Igourmet series. Also, make sure to head on over to broodandboozfood.com to check out our blog and our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe here on YouTube, and also head on over to Facebook and Instagram and make sure to like us. We'll cook with you soon.